Hi Faith Fam, I am here to review another pastry, protein pastry. It's called Magic Spoon Protein Treats. There we go. Magic Spoon Protein Treats. It has 140 calories. And it doesn't have as much protein as I like. It only has 12 grams of protein. And I honestly feel like the legendary has what, 190 or 160 calories and 20 grams of protein. So I'm like, But I must say it feels lighter. Personally, I don't like protein bars that's like so heavy, it's hard to bite in and you have to be chewing for years. So this feel like because it's easily bendable. And then of course y'all, with braces, it's not every protein bar I can bite in, because some of them protein bar is like they make out of clay. Okay, if you know, you know. So this is the blueberry muffin flavor. It was like $2.49. But with the Kroger card, without the Kroger card, it was $2.99. This is what it looks like. You can see it looks like a what's the bar I'm thinking of? Rice Krispies. It looked like Rice Krispies. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, let's try to see. Okay. Not bad. I mean, not bad, honestly. And obviously not as sweet as Rice Krispies. It has a little bit of an aftertaste, so like a little graininess. Cool. I mean, not bad. The only thing I would say, the only thing I would say, for 100 and for only 12 grams of calories, 12 grams of protein, pardon me, for only 12 grams of protein at 140 calories, you can find, well, hold on. I was saying, like, because my protein shake, the Shamrock protein shake and the legendary has around the same calorie intake with significantly more protein, I would lean more towards that. But this isn't bad if like you out and about and you need to grab a snack quick and you see it in a gas station or somewhere. It's not bad. But I can rock with it. Alright, y'all. So y'all don't sit there and watch me eat. As I said, it was $2.49. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon if you wanted. And I've seen them around. I think I'll see them in like gas stations or like 7-Eleven and places like that. So yeah, let me know if y'all ever tried this before, the Magic Spoon protein bar. Let me know if y'all ever tried this before, and if you have any suggestions, if you've seen any protein snack that you would want me to try, definitely leave them in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching it. It is your girl Chantel, certified personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, out here trying to find snacks of how we can increase our protein intake throughout the day, because remember, this is the year y'all gonna see our muscles. Okay, this is the year we're seeing our muscles. And protein feed your muscles. So it's very important that you get your proper intake of protein. So this is an option. The spoon the magic spoon protein treat. This is an option for you, as I say, if you're out and about. There are other snacks that might have more protein to calorie, but this is an option. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave something in the comment section, and let me know if there's any protein snack you would want me to review. Until next time, y'all, take care.